Hello guys, welcome to watch this video. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to get the latest data from each group. Here shows our sample data. There are 3 shops, Carrefour, Costco, and Walmart. I want to find out what's the inventory of each product of each shop when the shop was visited last time. Take Carrefour for example. Carrefour was visited twice. On May 1st, it was visited by Ethan, and on May 3rd, it was visited by Jay. In this case, we want to get all the records visited by Jay on May 3rd. The first way is using Excel function. In cell F2, input equal COUNTIFs. Criteria range 1, we select column A, and criteria 1, we select A2, and criteria range 2, we select column B, visit date, and criteria range 2, here we input double quote, bigger than, and B2, closing parentheses, and +1. What this function does is to sort visit date by shops. It essentially acts as a sort function. We select 1 to get the result we want. We can also use SumProduct function to get the same result. Equal SumProduct. We choose column A equals A2. Multiply column B bigger than B2, closing parentheses, and +1. We can see it works slowly than COUNTIFs. We get the same result. We select 1. We get the result we want. The two function works fine if you are dealing with a small amount of data. But if you want to deal with large amount of data, these two functions may get stuck. So we can choose second way, using per query to get the result we want. Press Ctrl A to select all the data, then press Ctrl T. We convert the regular range into table. Press OK. On the Data tab, click From Table/Range. On the Home tab, click Group By. Click Advanced. We want to group by shop, so here we choose shop. If you want to group by multiple columns, you can add in group. In this case, one group is fine, so we just select shop. We want to get the latest visit date, so here the operation we choose max, and we want the operation max to take effect on column visit date, and rename the new column name latest. This step will get the latest date by shop. We add another aggregation. We select all rows. We name it all. Then press OK. Click the icon. We can expand the table to get all the columns. We select the columns that we need. Press OK. You can see we have the latest dates, and we have all the original visit date. We can add a new column to get the latest data that we need. On the Add Column tab, click Custom Column. In the formula bar, we choose latest equals visit date. Press OK. And we select True. On the File tab, click Close and Load to. Here we can load to a new table, or if you have millions of rows, you can just select Only Create Connection. In this case, we want to choose Table and press OK. Now we get all the data that we want. Walmart visit by Ethan on May 5th, and Carrefour visited by Jay on May 3rd. We get all the results that we want. If you are familiar with SQL or SQL, you can also write SQL statement to achieve the same goal. Select A dot star from sample data as A. Right join. Select shop max visit date as visit date from sample data. Grouping by shop as B. On A dot shop equals B dot shop, and A dot visit date equals B dot visit date. We make it more readable. Now let's run this script. We get the result we want. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope this can help you. Bye.